In this video, I will give you a working NexLev Chrome extension discount code. Now, NexLev is the all-in-one YouTube extension, basically the all-in-one YouTube tool that you need. You have so much advanced features that you can use for a very cheap price. So first of all, you have Shorts analytics, you have channel analytics, average videos, revenue, audience, saturation. You have a comment analyzer, which basically allows you to get video IDs. You have a subscriber count, as well as the monetization status. So basically, if a channel is monetized, you see the views per hour as well as an outlier score. You can screenshot your analytics in a very nice way, and you can hide your channel information and revenue. You have a net profit calculator and a thumbnail tester to basically see if your thumbnails are good enough. You have a similar channels feature, which allows you to basically research channels that are similar to a specific channel that you want to research. You have a predicted video revenue to see how much this video made, for example. Similar videos, so videos who are similar to that specific video, all based on AI, of course. Search filter, home page filter, subscription filter. These are genuinely insane. You also have some smaller tools such as thumbnail compressor, a mass video editor, step skipper, and yeah, of course the data is safe. As you can see, there is much more, like a dislike revealer, real-time views, title and thumbnail changes, etc, etc. But here is the pricing. As you can see, monthly it is 13 euros, billed monthly of course, and we also have yearly, that is 9 euros billed yearly. And I can even give you a discount code of 20%. And that discount code is discount. So just discount. That is the discount code. If you type that, you will get a 20%, 20% off of this 13 euros, or even the 9 euros per month billed annually. But that is it. Of course, you get a 14-day free trial first. You can cancel in that time if you do not like it. But if you decide to keep NexLev, I recommend you to use the discount code discount to get discount. So that is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.